Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Real Nice Guyana. So today we bring you another recipe, guys. I know some of you thought we've stopped cooking, stopped doing recipes, but we haven't. And today look at what we got here. We got some Karela. When last you had some of that with some nice shrimp, white belly shrimp. So that's what we're going to be cooking today, guys. Some yummy food today. Dhal and rice with Karela with some white belly shrimp. So we have some of our ingredients here as usual. The ingredients will be listed in the description box below the video. So we're gonna go cut this up, get this Karela clean up and stuff and cut up our things, and we'll get going. We have the Dhal and rice going here already, as you can see. So we're gonna go get those stuff ready for the Karela, and we'll see you in a bit. So we're gonna clean up this here now, and this is how you clean this. You peel it like that. So Karela sweet bar with shrimps, you gotta try this. So you see we are peeling it like this here because it's easier that way, but you can also cut it in half like this, right? But it takes a little bit longer like this, and then you take it. But this is not like the usual Karela. This is more compact and it's more attached to the skin, the guts. So you gotta be careful. The knife easily runs and cuts the Karela because it's so small, right? So, but if you want to take the time, you can also do it like this. See that? But you gotta be careful so you don't cut up the Karela in little pieces there. See? So you can do it whichever way suits you. Right? This one here takes a bit longer, or if you're a pro, maybe you can do it way faster than I'm doing it. I can't remember whenever I did this, if I ever did, but there. So definitely this takes a little bit more time. And there you go. You just cut this back, right? There you go. So the dal is done now, guys. We're gonna go chunky the dal. So we have our jeera and our garlic in there. There you go. Dal done already. I gotta leave this covered. Alright guys, so our dal is done. We gotta go work on the Karela now. So that's how our dal is looking. Rice is also done. Rice is here. I'll be waiting now. Is the yummy Karela. We're gonna add some salt here. So we added some salt there now. So we're gonna go squeeze out the bitterness of the Karela as usual, as we will do with a regular Karela as well. Same process here. So we're gonna pick out one seed and thing that left in there. As you see. So we've washed it out there now. That's it there, guys. So once you add the salt, you squeeze it out a bit, then you wash it out, and that's it there now. And here is our seasonings. Of course, with our scallions here, aka shallot. So it's not a lot of Karela, so we're using only this much onion. So we're gonna pound our garlic and pepper in this order here. So when last you had some Karela, guys, let me know in the comments. With shrimp, I know some people don't eat shrimp, but if you do, that's the best way to have this Karela with some shrimp. So when last did you have some with that rice? That would be a perfect Sunday meal, wouldn't it? So we've added some oil to our karahi here, guys. We're gonna go prepare our shrimp. So there you go. So guys, you just fry this up a little bit. Show them shrimp nice and fat and shine, even though it's fine shrimp. Nice shrimp. Alright, so this is ready. We're gonna take this out and put it aside until we're ready for it. So now we're gonna add some more oil to fry our Karela. Since we just finished off pounding the garlic and the pepper there, we have the tomato, the onion, the scallions, and our Karela is there. We're gonna add our onions here first, fry up a bit. Next, we're gonna add our scallions in there. And that's our garlic and pepper which we pounded in the mortar. So you're gonna let this fry up a little bit, release all those aromas. So we're gonna add our shrimp now, guys. Oh, that's smelling so good. Man, can't wait to dig into this. And in goes our Karela now. Then add salt to taste. Now give this a good mix. And this bun Karela by itself has a very nice smell. Maybe you should get your hands on some to cook or smell it. It has a very nice scent to it. Now with all its onions and shrimp and garlic and those things, it's smelling even better. I'm gonna give this a little power here now, guys. It's been about 2-3 minutes. Alright guys, so we're gonna add our tomatoes now. It's been like about 5 minutes or so. And we've stirred a few times. Oh, and this is smelling really nice. Alright guys, so this Karela here is coming to an end. See, it gets a little bit color there. Alright guys, so I think our Karela is done here now. We're gonna just get this mixed up here. And that's it, the Karela is done as well. So we have our dal rice and everything is done now. So here it is guys, dal and rice and fried bun Karela with shrimp. As usual, the ingredients with measurements is going to be in the description box below the video. If you enjoyed this video guys, please remember to give it a like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and as always, thanks for watching.